Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make the HyperX Cloud Alpha wireless mic sound better in 2026. Now to begin with, the HyperX Cloud Alpha wireless can sound sometimes low or noisy if mic gain and filters are not properly set. So in order to fix it, first of all, you need to press Windows plus I on your keyboard in order to open the settings of your device. Now here select the option of system, then click on the option of sound. Now over here you will see this output section, and then when you scroll down a bit, here would be the input section. So inside the input section, you just have to first of all select your headset, and then you need to set the input volume to around 80 to 100%. This ensures that your voice is loud enough without any distortion. After doing this, you need to open your Nginity software, then select your headset and adjust the mic gain and sensitivity option. Avoid setting it too high as it can add the background noise. Now in the Nginity or your application settings, you just have to also turn on the noise suppression option and enable the echo cancellation option. Keep it balanced so that your voice stays natural. After doing this, you need to simply place your mic about 1 to 2 inches from your mouth. Keep it slightly off to the side in order to reduce breathing noise. Good positioning also makes a huge difference. After following all of these settings, you just have to open any of the applications or games, then select the correct input device, increase the mic input volume and adjust the sensitivity manually. Also try to minimize the noise around you, and you can also turn off the fans and move away from the loud devices. So you can try these easy things and make sure that you see the improvement in the mic quality. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.